1998 Chevy Camaro Z28. Really clean car. It's only got 90,000 miles on it, guys. What we got done on it, factory converter, there. Then it wires into a single there from the factory, 3-inch pipe over the rear axle, and then we put on it a Magnaflow cross flow muffler. There'll be a link in the description. Sorry about the box, guys. And then we ran 2.5-inch tailpipes on each side, there and there, into some flat tips to complete the signature look on these. Right there and right there. There's the Magnaflow. Cross flow, they flow in into one side and flow out the same side on one side and then the other. That's why they call it a cross flow. As you guys can see right there, there's the muffler and the 2 tailpipes we cut off right there. So there's the 2 entrances and there's the exit and exit right there. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it. 1998 Chevy Camaro Z28. Beautiful car. It's got a light cam in it. Really nice car. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single there. He had a Corsa system on it that we cut off. It was too quiet for him. So we put a Flowmaster Outlaw right there in the middle. Then we did a custom Y pipe, true flow Y pipe right there, and straight piped it out the back. There and there. And he wanted to leave the Corsa tips on it. So we left the Corsa tips on it right there and right there, as you guys can see. So it's true duals with Flowmaster Outlaw, or not true dual, regular duals with Flowmaster Outlaw. There's the Corsa muffler we cut off. It was just way too quiet. Massive, but just quiet. It wasn't active. There it is. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys. Because it's convertible, we didn't make it too loud. Just give them a nice deep tone. That's perfect. You like it? Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 96. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, that sounds good. Not obnoxious, just clean. Sometimes you just want it to be clean sounding. That's what we did. There it is. Yeah, like that. Much better. You guys can hear the cabinet. That sounds phenomenal.